Good morning. Happy hump day. Good morning, Tazzle Dazzle from Dubai. Good morning, brother. Good morning, everybody. It's a good day to be live. First things first, thank God for waking up today on this beautiful, lovely Wednesday hump day. And tell yourself this is going to be a great day. Because it is. You're here with me this morning. What else could you ask for? We also have retail sales coming at 8:30. 8:30 you have retail sales. We also have Canada CPI. Pound inflation came in overnight, dude. Pound inflation is 11.1% year over year. The fucking poor them, dude. They are just getting eaten alive. Still, yeah, I mean, it's just insane over in Europe, and it's just 11.1% came in hotter than expected. So we'll see what Canada CPI comes in at. They're expecting a lot hotter than expected. So yeah, just keep in mind 8:30 in about an hour and 20 minutes we have some red folder events for the dollar and the Canadian dollar. But let's see what's going on in the markets, because we're trying to make some money today and it's going to be a good day. The Delore, the Dixie, the DXY. It's weak. Down slightly today, starting to push down. Yesterday's daily candle left with a nice fat rejection wick of 105.35. And currently, the current daily is heading down to fill some of that wick. So we are stuck in this consolidation range right now from 107.250 to 105.350. But if you take a look at price action, we're maintaining these higher lows on RSI, and we have a low, a lower low, and an equal low here. So we're showing some divergence on the dollar, so it seems like it wants to start getting a little bit of a bid from down at this 106 level, this 106 even. Showing some support and some exhaustion in this area. So I think this could be an area that the Dixie catches a bid and we break through these highs and we head towards 108. Looking at the hourly's finding support right at this 106 mark. Nice bullish engulfing. So if we can get another confirmed support level from another hourly close, then we're looking for a nice Dixie rally potentially off these 106 lows. Taking a look at the Dow. Man, the shorts, I don't want to chase it, but these shorts are looking fantastic. Looking at the Dow in here, been sitting in this tight, getting tighter and tighter and tighter range, and we just broke through, had a double top retest of this trend line break, and now we're pushing down. So shorts here would have been really nice, and that kind of goes in line if we're looking for a little bit of a pop in the dollar. So the Dow shorts are in play today. Going to run into some issues here at this 33,340 area. We got a lot of buyer exhaustion right coming in right in this area here. So we're going to run into some issues there. It's also an area where we had some exhaustion here as well. So this whole zone, definitely not going to break in front of retail sales, but maybe retail sales, who knows? Maybe it'll be a driver for us. I mean, we've confirmed technicals shorts here, so maybe we just need a news event to come out to push us below that support level. The rates, 10-year, sitting in a range as well. Similar to the Dixie, maintaining these higher lows trend line here on the RSI and pushing lower lows and now equal lows here. So seems like the rates are finding a bottom and finding some support in here. But we are stuck in this range. So I'd look for the rates to catch a bid at this 375 area if we start filtering back down, to then push at least back up towards the upper end of the range and maybe break it. So either way, we should have a stronger rates and a stronger dollar this morning. Whether they break out of the range or not, they should at least back test their move from overnight. Taking a look at gold. Gold's been a tough one lately. I haven't traded gold in like a week. It's just been choppy price action. Really hasn't gone anywhere directionless. It's just been a grind. And so looking at gold, we were sitting at these highs where we've had some exhaustion here before, finding resistance. And so could be potential sells with this nice double top at this rejection zone of 1784, 500. Maybe retrace some of this move from overnight. Move back down to this bottom end of the consolidation range here. So I think sells here could be really nice. So I'm going to look for sells here. What I'm going to look for is something like this. So I'll take a short off of like a retest. Last 4 hour, pretty strong close amongst all of these rejection wicks. But we are sitting right here at this double top. So I'll wait for this 15-minute to close in 20 seconds. Get that bearish engulfing. I'm going to look for then another retest of this wick area, and then we'll look for it to start rolling over from there. Makes me uncomfortable shorting with this no upper wick on the 30-minute. No upper wick formed and bearish engulfing on the 15-minute, but the 30-minute's still open, and so this 15 minutes likely to come back up to retest this wick zone, which is then where I'll look for the shorts. Otherwise, I'll miss it because I'm not comfortable with shorting the way it's sitting. So definitely keep an eye on gold though, because gold could have some really decent shorts today. Oil shorts look really nice as well. I was taking a look at this earlier. You have these descending highs that we're running into, rejecting this double top here, showing some divergence on the RSI. Nice bearish engulfing at that retest rejection area, rejecting the breakdown here. So any retest towards 87, I'll look for shorts heading back down towards 85.30 area. 85 even. Right in this zone here. Gold shorts in play today. Oil shorts in play today. Dow shorts in play today. So what I really want to see is a strong dollar today. If I see a strong dollar, all of my potential plays will be right on the money. If the dollar's not strong today, well, yeah. My analysis on every pair was wrong then. Looking at pound yen. Pound yen, I'm looking for shorts as well. If you look at the daily in here, remove these drawings. So the daily still sitting below this major rejection zone in here. And if you take a look at the swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, we're still maintaining this bearish structure. And now we're in the middle of retracing and potentially creating a lower swing high. We're rejecting now twice this 50% mark of retracement. We're rejecting this breakdown and rejection on the daily and weekly. And we're seeing that, okay, we had a weak bullish candlestick. A bullish candlestick with another wick. And now we're coming into it with another bullish candlestick, potentially creating another wick and rejecting it. We're trying weak, trying weak, trying weak. Buyers are getting knocked down. Sellers come in. So it's just a matter of time before this thing gets knocked down. And so that's why I'm in shorts, because we are in temporary bearish structure and we are below this major weekly zone and daily zone. Looking at the 4 hour, 4 hours running into some exhaustion zone. Right in here, this is where we're rejecting. And so I'm looking at the 1 hour, nice double top. 15-minute bearish engulfing off this triple top, you know, just keeps knocking and knocking, rejecting. And so now what I want to see is I want to see this start breaking below this neckline here. So I am short pound yen right now. Shorted it earlier this morning after this big bearish engulfing candlestick, looking for stops above the highs here, looking for a breakdown towards like 165. I will keep playing shorts on pound yen until it decides that it wants to break above this important structure, which is where, you know, buys come into play after we break through it. But right now it's a big area of rejection, and so there's no reason to be buying in front of it. We're going to short at it and look for rejection. I'm going to set my alert for gold so I don't miss it. Set an alert for right here. Save. Oil, set an alert as well for 87 area. So I'd like to take another short. Not another, take a short. So, yeah. It's pretty much everything I'm looking at today. Check out, see if there are any headlines worth noting. Nice. Keep printing that cash for Ukraine, baby. Unbelievable. Nothing, no headlines this morning, so pretty. Oh, I was on page 2. That's so nice. Just looking at the wrong page. Attractive female students saw grades drop after switch to online learning during pandemic. Good day, Enrique. What's going on, bro? How you doing today? Let's see. Not seeing any headlines out there to worry about today so far. Pound yen. See if we get the short sell off here. See if we can get some oil and gold swords come into play here. Looking for a Dow short as well. Set an alert. We'll have to decide which play I like the best, because if I get into literally all these plays, they're all really more or less depending on the same direction of the dollar, so they're all going down in flames if I'm in all of them. I'm struggling with the US30. Can you help, perhaps? New in the trading, but after all the videos, struggling to find my feet. Yeah, it's probably not the best asset to start with to trade as a beginner. It's not an easy trader. Maybe start with like gold or pound yen, but either way, I mean, look, the thing is US30, it's a very technical indice. I trade US30 a lot, and I do really well with it. And I mean, look, if you understand technical analysis and exhaustion zones, then you can trade US30. You just got to understand where the exhaustion zones are, right? So like you take a look at the 4 hour. All right, so here's an exhaustion zone right here. I have an exhaustion zone drawn right here, as you can see. So you look at current price action, and we're in between both zones. And so you got to then hop down the 1 hour, find those zones. So you have an exhaustion zone right in here, which is that same area from before. So you could have expected some bouncing off of here. You got the exhaustion zones up here. So you just got to like find your exhaustion zones and understand technicals, and then figure it out from there, right? So you see US30 was wedging in here. It just broke down, had this double top retest, and now rejection. So I'm looking for shorts to fill some of this move from Thursday. We're just going to have to fight through this exhaustion zone here. And the thing is with US30 is you have to understand how to analyze the dollar and what the dollar is doing. The dollar, the rates. It's one of the like the generals or movers that determines, you know, the direction of the market currently. And so if you understand, okay, the dollar basing here, finding support, hourly bullish engulfing, dollar could catch a bid here. If we look at rates in this consolidation zone coming down to the support of 375, showing some divergence, could catch a bid here. So if we're expecting a bullish dollar and a bullish rates today, then you can expect shorts in the US30 and play off these technicals off of this technical retest here and look for shorts off that rejection. So it's just a matter of understanding what the dollar's doing, what the rates are doing, understanding where exhaustion zones are, and understanding technicals and the flow of the market. It's a tough one to trade right away because it's such a big moving pair, a lot of big pip size. But if you're gonna start with it, go for it. But it's gonna be harder. It's gonna take you a little longer to learn it. But if you have any questions specifically on it, let me know and I can cover them. Otherwise, you just gotta study US30 every day and just learn how it moves. Create that relationship with it. Ask yourself, why is it doing what it's doing, right? Why is it, double top rejection here, and then we're wedging down to break, why is it doing this? And all of the dollars finding support, we're breaking structure here to continue down. So you just got to keep asking yourself, and why is it doing what it's doing? And, what's price doing? And you'll eventually start learning how, the characteristics and how the market moves. Do keep an eye on 8:30 a.m. We have retail sales. Could affect US30, but yeah, no, anytime, dude. If you have any questions, just hop on in and shoot them in the chat. Now, I'd love to answer them. If you have any specific questions, I guess more in-depth questions on specific characteristics or ideas with the pair, let me know and I can go over it. But yeah, if you go trade US30, the DXY and the US10Y, which is the US 10-year rates, those are the two things you want to analyze as well in the mornings to determine, to see if your US30 bias is correct. Oh, gold just missed my alert here for sells. So hopefully I don't miss those sells. Oil still popping up a little bit. So I'm looking for oil. I think I might take oil sells or gold sells. I don't know. Gold sells have a lot of range here though. So I got to pick one or the other. I'm not trading both. Get myself in a sticky situation. Oil does have a lot of exhaustion in this area here though. A lot of buyer exhaustion. Pivot point here. Let me turn on profiles and VWAP. See where we're at. Point of control sitting a little higher. Sitting right on top of VWAP, hugging VWAP here. So that's where you're seeing that bounce we're seeing. But overall, not really sitting near the point of control. So I'm not really too worried about that. Daily point of control sitting pretty low. Pretty much where my take profit would be sitting. Yeah, I'm probably play oil shorts today. Oil's a little more clean of a trader than gold, so probably pick the cleaner of the two. Oil's my baby anyway. So I'm gonna look for something similar to this. Something similar to this, around a 3.5, almost 4 to 1. About a 4 to 1, depending on where I put my stop. Looking to fill this move from yesterday. Yeah, Enrique, feel free to also join our Discord. We have a great group of guys in there. If you have any questions on the markets, we have a lot of stock traders, a lot of industry traders in there as well that love to help. So if our Discord's in the our Discord link is in our last couple videos in the description. Gold, I mean silver. Yeah, silver. Excuse me. I was looking at silver. The thing with silver is I'm only going to long silver from now on. Like it's just so if you the gold to silver relationship, like as far as the gold to silver ratio and stuff, as we start coming off and pulling off here, that then you start seeing silver buys. You want to start seeing silver buys come into play because silver outperforming gold is what brings down the gold to silver ratio. And so if like short plays, gold outperforms. On long plays, silver outperforms. So yeah, I mean this is very clean. Nice little ledge here. But if we're, if I'm expecting metal shorts, then gold's going to outperform on that one. And so I'll look for gold shorts below this consolidation for a run back down. Silver shorts aren't as clean as gold shorts. Gold coming back up. Gonna look for a potential short at the retest of these highs. Pound yen falling off. My pound yen shorts are doing okay. Yeah, because the gold to silver ratio is coming down, and it's still elevated, so we still want to see it come off. So if it's going to come off, gold to silver ratio, that means gold is outperforming on the sell side. So, yeah. One second. All right. What's going on, Mo? Oh, oil. Don't do it. Don't do it yet. Do I think the market is going to react to Trump? No. I mean, it's just him running for re-election. So I don't think he really cares yet. Dixie back at the support level. Bitcoin down 1.5%. Looking weak. Gold and oil looking like they're setting up for these nice shorts. Which of the out of the three indices you like the most if we bounce back? Whichever one is the farthest to catch up. Let's see. You got the Qs, 30% off their highs. SPY sitting 17% off their highs. IWM sitting 23% off the highs. Qs are the farthest to go. Q or IWM. One or the other. Probably IWM. I don't know though. I don't really trade it like that. I trade the Dow mainly, so. But yeah. Dixie finding support here, so gold sells coming into play. There go the gold sells. Working nice. I didn't catch an entry, so might be sitting out on gold. Oil sells, still looking decent. Iron gold next drop. Yeah, I think gold's going to come back down to retest 1730. Yeah, fuck no. I would not be eyeing Bitcoin. Hell no. I think gold would have a really decent drop, like a hard drop. I'll take some oil sells. Yeah, let's take some oil sells. I know I'm taking sells. Alrighty. Looking for oil to maintain this area of exhaustion. Watching the hourly, seeing if we can come up and reject this buyer's exhaustion zone in here. Funded trader. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Why is day trading tougher than swing trading? Oh. Because swing trading, I mean, it's you gotta find a good zone and just wait for it to work out. Day trading, you have to find intraday levels and try to analyze, you know, where's the market going today, and you got to have certain stops and take profits. It's like a lot more moving parts for day trading. But at this point, I don't think it's that hard because I've been doing it for so long. All right, entry point is 87.040. Stop loss 87.56. Take profit 85.50. So around sitting at a 3-to-1 on this play here. Yeah, Pablo, me too. Hang on, dude. Look at these gold cells I had. I was waiting for gold cells right here. And I got swerved by like a micro fucking pip. So yeah. So nice. Like, yeah, I'd be sitting up around like 35 pips so far. Oil. I love oil just to dump. If I could snipe this entry here, like that would be sick. Let's go oil. Just melt. Melt. Dump. Nice hourly retest and rejection of this support exhaustion zone. And now it's pulling back here. We got 9 minutes left for the hourly to close. I'd expect it to start rejecting and pushing down. 8 o'clock volume coming in 10 minutes. 9 minutes. Thomas, help me. US30. Help me. Help me. What do you need help with? Directional bias today? Think we're going short. Remember with US30s, you have to understand where the dollar's going and where the rates are going currently. Dollar's catching a bit at these lows at 106. Looking for a Dixie rally today. Rates are finding some support here at the bottom end of the consolidation. Looking for it to catch a bid today as well. So if the dollar and rates are going to be stronger today, US30 should be weak. If you take a look at US30's price action, we've been sitting here creating this wedge at these highs. Broke through it, had this nice double top retest, and now we're rolling over. So US30 should roll over and retest and fill some of this move from Thursday. So looking for US30 shorts up here at this zone here. Wow. Missed the gold shorts, but oil shorts should pay nicely at least. Oil. Let's see this area and how price typically reacts in this zone here. So let's kind of send this left. Let's send this area left and see what does price do in this area. Exhaustion here, dump down to 85.34. Okay. Exhaustion here, dump down to 85.30. Yep. Cool. 85.30 right down. It's cool. Right down to 85.30. 85 even. See, right down to 85.30. Yeah, so seems like price in this area after it starts rejecting this 87.50 zone goes right down to 85.30 to 80/85. So yeah, so I'm looking for cool 15-minute engulfing in oil would be nice. That would be so nice. because that will give us this nice hourly rejection wick. We could start rolling over. Nice 30-minute rejection, bearish candle, close below the VWAP here. Dude, yeah, oil's setting up for really nice shorts. Four minutes left in the hourly close. 8 o'clock volume coming in then. $30 minutes left until retail sales. One minute left. So we get a fresh volume in the market. New York Open. Yeah, let's see if we can get this bearish engulfing on the 15-minute for oil in 10 seconds. Should give us a solid confirmation here in 2, 1. Nice, beautiful bearish engulfing. New York Open is here. Oil, let's go. Let's go. Bearish engulfing. Let's see if we can confirm a close below VWAP so we can start getting that push down. Nice 30-minute rejection, hourly rejection wick as well. So let's see if oil starts dumping here. I want to see a nice close, like a nice 15-minute close below 86.63 to get a nice confirmation that, hey, we're selling. Closing below all this rejection. Head on down. But for now, it might sit there and struggle ahead of retail sales. We'll see. Gold, nice retest on the bottom end of this breakdown here. Could be a nice sell opportunity for a push down. See what the dollar is doing. The Dixie still consolidating here, but it seems like it does want to break up as we're finding support in this rejection zone, finding some exhaustion, higher lows forming. It's just maybe it's waiting for retail sales just to confirm that, hey, we're breaking higher. But we'll see. I'm just kind of hanging out the lows here. Oil sells looking nice. Looking weak, looking heavy here. Nice oil. Oh, nice oil. Let's go. Oil heading downtown. Nice close below this rejection zone here. So now I'd like to see it stay below and continue on its descent here. Let's go. Oil looking good. Man, this oil trade, man, oh man. In 2 minutes, if this 15-minute closes down this bearish, I'm setting my stop loss to break even. I mean, this is just looking really nice. And in 15 minutes, well, a little over 15 minutes, we have retail sales. Looking real nice. Straight melting. One minute left in the 15-minute close. This is looking like a really nice fat rejection on oil here. Wow. 30 seconds. Oil is just melting, bro. Look at that, just brick of a close on the 15-minute. Wow. Dude, at this point, stop loss is going to break even. There's no way I'd want to see it go all the way back up. Yeah, I'm covering my oil shorts here. That was just an insane move. Wow. That was incredible. Literally top tick that motherfucker. I top ticked that thing. I mean, that was just an insane move. Insane. Wow. I was short. I literally shorted right here. Like I top ticked this thing, and I just got out of my position here. Just it was entering a nice area here, and it was just such a strong push down that I just took profits, and that was just amazing. 87 is where I got in short right here. 85.25 area for an oil buy. 85.25. Oh, right here. Oh, yeah. Right. Yeah. Same. I mean, that's originally where my take profit was going to be, but this move was so strong that I was happy with the move. But yeah. Nice oil play. Gold shorts would have been nice too, but unfortunately I missed those. You tell me I got Bornlam's approval on my short area? Shit. Must have been a good trade. That 50 moving average was like a brick then. Yeah, it's like a brick on that 5 minute. Let's see. Pull out my this naughty little gold to silver ratio just going to ladder stripe up to the trend line, I guess. I know. I was looking at that earlier. Dude, it's just dirty. I mean, if you even look at the gold and silver charts, dude, they're just look at gold or silver, they're dirty up here, dude. Pretty much looks like the gold to silver ratio. It's nasty. Waiting for it to break out of this range so we can trade it again. Oh, let's see. 8 minutes left until retail sales. See what the Dixie's doing right now. Dixie, catching a little bit of a bid here. Starting to creep up. Is the Dow pulling off a bit? Dow's still maintaining its levels here. The rates are finding support here. Oil now finding support at this previous low of the day. I think that 1790 could be the top the rest of the week. Gold OPEX on the 22nd. I agree. I think so as well. I was just talking about that. I think we see a nice deep gold retracement here. I think we could see a pretty deep retracement myself. Like the 4 hour here is just grinding with no life to it, and it's starting to just like push down on the RSI to where I think we just get to see a nice like fat pullback here, maybe down to like 1750. Oil looking for that second leg down here. Copper 4 hour. Watching that trend line hit, not a perfect analog for gold and silver, but they tend to dance on the same floor well enough. Yeah, nice. I like that. Copper. Copper. Yeah, because if you take a look at like this descending trend line here from the highs that we now just broke through, this could be a nice retest of that as well, and then maybe a rally from here. So looks interesting. so you're drawing it from here. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I see that. It's like a bunch, dude. This thing's like coming into like some levels here. Yeah. That looks nice. Oil coming into some support here. Big liquidity zone running into the 66 here. So we're going to see if it respects it or if it just dumps below. We'll see. Alrighty, 2 minutes left in retail sales. Finally. Finally. Every time I go into Discord, Born Lam, I appreciate it. Now I'm stuck seeing that fucking kid. That you, dude, it's gross. I can't. It's just disgusting. I did not need to see that today. Dixie going for the wick retrace on the 1 day. Still catching a bid here. It's trying. Yeah, you see that? I was talking about that this morning, dude. The pound CPI inflation just took a big shit. And it, dude, this thing's so 11.1% year over year is insane, dude. Insane. Just insane. All right. CPI came out, or CPI. Retail sales came out. And they came in at, if the numbers will load here for me. All right. Come on now. Just waiting for the numbers here. 1.3. Came in, okay. So, came in better than expected. My fucking numbers won't load here, but... That's lovely. If my numbers will load, that'd be so nice. There they are, finally. Yeah, so came in better than expected. So you seen that Dixie pop here. So the ES, the market's dropping a little bit on that. Yeah, not moving much though, of course. Gold dropping, oil chilling. Cool. Yeah, just chilling. So no, dude, my kid hasn't thrown up at once. I mean, she's done that spit up of like milk and stuff, but she hasn't thrown up yet. Knock on wood. So, yeah, and she's 15 months, so not quite 2 years. But yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off. It was a good morning, guys. Good trading morning. Some decent setups, and I think there's some good setups moving forward this morning. But caught a nice bag, and that's it. But yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Have a great day. It's gonna be a great day. Feeling good about it. But I'll see you later, guys. Thanks for tuning in.